They're too.
Okay, so hon, what are we doing tonight?
I don't know. I just got dressed. You said you're driving me somewhere. Please don't put me in the nursing home. I'll promise to be good. No, we're going to Extreme concert.
Yes, we're gonna have fun. We haven't gone to concert in a very long time. Extreme concert kan karon kan pa din.
I'm too old for this.
No, you're not too old.
Last time.
Okay, hey, for instance, so kan pa din senior citizen concert kan kal don ni West Virginia ania kanina trangin tar car no it's not 1 hour, right honey?
To get there?
Yeah,
Just 35 minutes.
35 minutes. Charlestown, West Virginia ania kan kalme kani and ticket can sold out tro it sold out, right?
Yeah, it sold out a few days ago.
Yeah. Ato po to khop mai po ni se concertที่กันกัลง่ายแล้วกันป้าเนี่ยกันหันที่ชื่นเวดอนนี่ให้กันกันแล้วนะเอ้ยตัวคอนเสิร์ตอะไรนี่วินจันจูกันป้าช่วยริงขอบไหมมิวสิกริงไหมทายาเบงเวร์นัตูเนี่ย they're all set right with your with your ear plug.
Earplugs. Go in my ears. I'm already half deaf, so if I lose any more hearing, I'm in trouble.
All right. Okay. Kan park ta Han. What do you think? Are you excited?
Woohoo!
Woo!
Excited. So excited.
Okay, anh concert chứ anh sẽ đúng to. Kan lại điệu lắc to mấy thầy nè. Thầy. Horse race na anh tel boka. Okay, hoy lang pa nga kalangay ni. Midum Ben.
The event center at Hollywood Casino. Come on.
Okay.
Hold it straight. Not what you.
Okay.
I have no idea what we're doing.
I don't know either. Oh.
I pressed L for casino.
Hi, Han. Kan Tlem ta Anh Trân.
This must be old slot machines.
What?
You want to take a picture of this?
Yeah. Anh Trân to mà xe casino ha kan hẳn đuột nước rồi nè. Okay, hey, kan Tlem to ta Han. You want to buy some? Take a look. I want to get a t-shirt.
That's the new one with the gorilla.
What?
That's the new one with the gorilla. It's $40.
I don't like that. I like the one with
The
their
other one?
their pictures on there. Hey, and Finland.
The one that has them all on.
Yeah, that's what I want. I mean, you can get whatever you want.
That's this year too. 2024.
Yeah. Oh, wow. What do you think, hon?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, can you get that?
Okay.
And t-shirt to change from them and then too. Go change from me.
I actually like the one with the gorilla and the. So I'll get that one, and then you get that one.
Okay.
Over there.
All right.
Okay. What size? Small.
No, get medium. I like it a little bit bigger. Yeah.
Okay.
nen kan han thang don ani hi helai hi zai thiam tam tak an lo kal na mun ania khi mau haga da te po anam anti sa chuto le ni
Anything else? The one in the center. Do you have an extra large? I go up to 3X. Oh, really? Okay, extra large. Anything else?
That'll be it.
Han can hold up, okay?
Thank you.
Han hold it up.
Okay. This is Rin Moy's.
Oh. Yep.
I call him and he's like,
This is mine.
Hey, kan pa ta về thung. Okay. Alright. Anh cha kom to he mai. Anh na tran lo dewa.
our vaccine stuff. We just milk and my heart's in a hurricane. I have emptiness and pain. Is this a storm before the calm? Yeah. Where the moon spins through the trees and the crow calls out to me in harmony. Sing along. My heart is in a hurricane. Gusts of emptiness and pain. Is this the storm before the calm? Where the moon spins through the trees and the crow calls out. This is all you, man. We need your help with this. Saying I love you is not the words I want to hear from you. Come on, here. It's not that I want you not to say that if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say, but that you love me. God damn it, thank you so much. Thank you for being up all night with us. This is amazing. You guys have been incredible. You make us feel so good, man. The harder you work, the harder we work. Can we ask you for one more final favor? Can we take a family photo with y'all? Is that okay? All right. Once us old bastards get out front, then we can all put your hands up first. In the meantime, give yourselves a round of applause. You guys have been fucking incredible all night. Sounds fucking incredible. Thank you for hanging in on that. We appreciate y'all.